Good morning, dear students. Today topic is surface energy. Why surfaces have extra energy? Here I am taking a vessel of liquid. Due to surrounding molecules, the net force on interior molecule is 0. But the net force on surface molecule is not 0 because above the surface there is no liquid molecules. So due to this molecules there exists a net force on surface molecule. So here the work must be done in moving interior molecule to surface. So this work is stored as a potential energy. Thus surfaces possess additional energy. Here work must be done in moving interior molecule to surface. Against the net force. This work is stored as potential energy. Thus surfaces possess additional energy. Here, what is surface energy? Here, surface energy is equal So here surface energy is this additional potential energy per unit surface area. Here how we can define the excess potential energy per unit area of the surface film is called surface energy. So here SI unit is, so here potential energy is joule for surface area, that is meter square. So SI unit is joule for meter square. Dimension formula is m t to the power of -2. Here I am taking PQRS is a U-shaped metal wire. PQRS is a U-shaped metal wire and AB is a sliding wire. A soap film is formed between ARQB by dipping it in a soap solution. It is held horizontally. So here I am taking length of the wire. This side is L. Let us apply force F and slide AB through a distance D. So here work is done to move this sliding wire for a small distance D. So here work done is force into displacement FD. Let us take, this is equation 1. The increase in soap film area is so here length is L, breadth is D. So area is length into breadth. So L D. But this soap film have two surfaces. So one is above this film and another one is below this film. So that is LD plus LD. So that is called 2LD. Let us consider per unit surface area. The excess potential energy is S. So for 2LD surface area, what is the excess potential energy? So how we can get? So 2LD into S by unit. So that is called 2LD into S by, here unit surface area means what? That is 1. So let us take, this is equation 2. So this excess potential energy is must be equal to work done. So here work done, therefore work done is equal increase in surface energy. Here work done is equal increase in surface energy. So that is 2LDS. So here from equation 1, here work done is equal force into displacement. So here D cancel. From this we can write, therefore S is equal F by 2L. Here surface tension S is equal force per length. Here surface tension is defined as the tangential force per unit length. So here SI unit is force per unit length. So that is force is SI units for force is Newton per meter. Dimension formula is so m t to the power of minus 2. Next one is angle of contact. Theta. The angle between tangent to the liquid surface at the point of contact and solid surface inside the liquid is termed as angle of contact. That is theta. Here angle of contact is, in case of glass water, so here a glass is placed in a water. So here angle of contact is the angle between tangent to the liquid surface at the point of contact. So here point of contact is here, the tangent to the liquid surface. So here I am taking tangent to the liquid surface and solid surface inside the liquid. So here it is solid surface, but inside the liquid is this one. So the angle between these two is known as angle of contact. That is theta. So in case of glass mercury, so here glass is placed in mercury. So here angle of contact is, how we can define? The angle between tangent to the liquid surface at the point of contact. So here point of contact is here, tangent to the liquid surface. So here tangent to the liquid surface is this one, and solid surface inside the liquid. Here which one is inside the surface? So this is inside the surface. So the angle between tangent to the liquid surface at point of contact, so this to the solid surface inside the liquid is known as angle of contact. So that is theta. Here cohesive force is known as force between like molecules. The force between like molecules is known as cohesive force. What about adhesive force? The force between molecules of different substance. Here it is a water. The force between water molecules is known as cohesive force. So here it is glass and it is water. The force between glass molecules and water molecule is known as adhesive forces. Here adhesive force of attraction between glass water is more than cohesive force of attraction between water molecule. So here adhesive force of attraction between glass water molecule is more than cohesive force of attraction between water molecule. Hence, water wets the glass. The level rises in curved shape at point of contact. In this case, the angle of contact is less than 90 degrees. So that is acute. Here theta is less than 90 degrees. So here that is acute. In this case, cohesive force of mercury molecules is more than adhesive force of mercury and glass. So here cohesive force of mercury molecules is more than adhesive force of mercury glass. So here mercury does not wet the glass. So in this case angle of contact is greater than 90 degrees. So this is obtuse. So here in this case theta is less than 90 degrees. So in this case angle of contact is greater than 90 degrees. Water wetting agents. Soaps, detergents, and dyeing substances are wetting agents. When they are added the angle of contact becomes small. so that this may penetrate well and become effective. So in this case the angle of contact is decreases. Waterproofing agent. Waterproofing agent. So that is paints. When added, angle of contact increases between water and fiber. So here angle of contact is increases.